Another 3 is the structure, text, sequential, flow, and the instruction list programming. These 3 is not inside the logo. So to new function block diagram, you can click the arrow down. So you can click the arrow down, then click the function block diagram. So you can see your circuit diagram 2 is come up. To set up the circuit, you can right click, go to properties or enter. So like this, you can put in the IP address. The logo has IP address. Default is 192.168.0.3. The default is .3, but you can change. So subnet mask is the yes. Subnet mask is the 255.255.255.255.0, and the gateway is 192.168.0.1. So if you connect directly to your computer, you need to set the same gateway so that you can connect to the local. So first remember to unlock the S7 for Siemens to Siemens connections and unlock the mode bus. Yeah, this is for you to connect to others mode bus device. Later on, the step 2, hardware type. So default hardware type is 8.4, logo 8.4. But some of your system may be 8.3. So if you have error downloading using the 8.4, please change to 8.3 and try. My office is 8.1, 8.2. So 8.4 is the default. IO name is put the IO name. Later we'll copy additional info. Put your name and your institute. Yeah, this is what you need to do. Additional info, put your name and institute. So let's go to the IO. Right click, insert the IO name. Sorry, I forgot to click OK. 192.168.0.3, 255.255.0.3, 168.0.1. Hardware type 8.4, IO name and additional info. Put your name and your institutions. So right click. Put the IO name, the IO name need to copy. So input 1, I1 motion sensor. You put room, this one is inside the room, the motion sensor inside the room. Second one, photo sensitivity sensor. So the third one is a push button override. Input for motion sensor 1, horizontal. Motion sensor 2, horizontal. Then your room switch your room light. Then the i7 is not inside here, but you have alarm. You have alarm, so alarm reset is one of the push button. So your output room, I think your output 2 exterior, output 3 corridor, output 4 is alarm. So this, all these have to put inside the IO one. All these have to put inside IO. After you click OK. Now everything ready. Now go to the step by step. Your task A, B, C, D, E, right? Let's go to the task. The room I think will be enabled from 7 AM to 12 noon. Then lunchtime, 12 noon to 1. Then after that, turn on again at 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So this one need to go to the, you see the timing from what time to what time, you need to go to the timer, weekly timer. This one is the task A. Room light, Monday, no weekday, no weekend, so Monday to Sunday. So the first slot is the 7 a.m. start. Then 12 noon time is off. Then this one has another camp. So this camp is the 1 p.m. start and 7 p.m. stop. So can you see? This one is from here. This one is from here. Can you see the time? There are two cameras, cam 1, cam 2. So there are two cams here. Your one timer can have 3 time slots, morning, afternoon, evening. But in this case, you use 2 time slots. In between, turn on. In between the 12 to 1, 12 to 1 is the lunch time. Lunch time to turn on the office light. Yeah, this is how they do. So you click OK. So first task finished already. So this one finished. So second task, corridor lighting will be enabled from 7 a.m. to 12 midnight. So you go to the weekly timer again. This one is task B. So corridor lighting, Monday to Sunday. So what time should I choose? Anyone know? 7 a.m. And what time end? 12 midnight. 24. 24 is a 0, 24 is 0. Yeah, 0 to 23. So this one correct. Corridor finished. So task B finished. Task A finished. Task B finished. We go for task C, exterior. Weekly timer again. So double click. This one is the task C, exterior. So Monday to Sunday. So the exterior only night then turn on, only evening turn on. 5 p.m. to 7 a.m. So 5 p.m. What time? 17, 5 p.m. 17. Then 7 a.m. 7 a.m. So 17 to 7. So you click OK. So task A, task B, task C, OK already. Now task D. So task D is the room motion sensor. Room motion sensor. You go to the input, get the room motion sensor. Room motion sensor out. So I1 activated, enable the lighting system within the timing. So enable the lighting system. So you need to go to the output room lighting, but you need to have the AND gate. This timing and the motion sensor together will turn on the light. Will turn on the room lighting. But the room lighting only turn on and with the switch I6 is on. So switch I6. So I need to bring up the switch I6. I6 here. We need to bring up the I6. So how to get the I6? You go to input, click the, you put in is I3, double click, you can choose from here. Or you can choose from here. You double click the I3, you can choose this, become I6. And OK. So now I6 already. The I6 must be on, then everything can on. I6 must be on and everything can on. So this is motion sensor. is your I6 I put on top of this motion sensor later moves another place. So when you see the line is overlap, when you see the line overlap, please remove it. Cannot pick the line, pick the arrow. When you pick the line, then you can change. Your I6 is on. If you want to better, then you can change the direction. So I6, I1, and the timer will switch on the room lighting. Okay, task D. This is the task D. Task D finished. Task E. Push button I3 is on, the lighting, both room and corridor is on. So we need to have another I3. So you see I3, you see I3. Input number 3, push button will turn on the room lighting. Push button will turn on the room lighting, but you cannot connect like this. So what to put? Oh, very good. So you need to combine the two control, combine the two requirements, we use the OR gate. It's a parallel thing. So one more lighting later we put up. This is room lighting, 50% of the task. This one is the task E finish, and one more task E we haven't do. Then this one photosensitive sensor will turn on the exterior lighting from the 5 to 7 AM. This one is the photosensitive sensor with your exterior light together. We need to combine and the signal together and output to the exterior lighting. Yeah, this one is a task F. So A, B, C, D, E, F. E halfway, but A, B, C, D, F is finished already. Now corridor more challenging. Corridor a lot of input. Corridor Q3, corridor Q3. Bring up the corridor first. Q3 corridor. This is a corridor. So we'll turn on when motion sensor 1 and 2 or the I4, I5 is activated. So we need to bring up the I4, I5 input. Corridor sensor 1, corridor sensor 2. These two and the time can turn on the corridor lighting. So we need to have the. For this is OR. You can see the motion sensor 1, motion sensor 2 is OR. So if you click the OR, then later on the timing is the N. The timing for the corridor is the N. Your corridor have the timing, but they didn't put here. Your corridor is the N. This is corridor timing. Yeah, you turn on the corridor light. But the corridor light also will turn on by the push button. So this one you also need to have the OR gate for the push button. So now this OR gate is for your task E. Task E. Yeah, the push button will turn on the room and the corridor. This AND gate is your task G. Task G. Task G is both sensor activated or activated, and with the timing, the corridor light will on. But after they are on, the corridor light have to have a timing. Corridor light have the 30-second delay before turn off. So you need to have a 30-second delay. So you can put your 30-second delay here. 30-second delay is the off delay. So this is the 30 seconds. So So this 30 seconds is your fast H. So we finished the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H already. Now is the last one. Last one is multi-speaker one. Multi-speaker one. Last one has the alarm. So last one is the alarm. So last one more difficult. So alarm is your 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. So can I use this task A room light timer? Can I do this? Anyone? No? This is also 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Can I use this timer? We cannot use because the lunch time. The lunch time alarm will on. We don't want the lunch time to be alarm will on. So this one we cannot use. We need to use a new timer. The timer we need to use for the alarm timer. This one is for the alarm timer. Task I alarm. This alarm timer is 7 p.m. 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. 19 to 7. This one cannot use the inverter because inverter lunchtime will turn on the alarm. We don't want the lunchtime alarm beep on. Lunchtime cannot. So this one is the alarm timer. After the timer, we have the motion sensor. So we need to get the AND gate in. AND gate for the motion sensor. For this motion sensor. So alarm timer with the motion sensor will turn on the alarm. So if you see alarm only is a latching delay already. You need to put the latching delay. And one error in here, you can see this is to alarm is not the pulse delay, it's a latching delay. Your notes will have the error, right? Your notes will have the error. So this alarm will on. Let's get the alarm out. Where is alarm? Alarm output is this is alarm. So alarm will turn on, and also alarm will be reset also. Alarm will be reset by the I7. So the alarm finished. So this is for your alarm task I. This one is for your alarm task I. Then later on is beside the alarm, there one more thing need to turn on. The interior light also need to turn on. So how to turn on the interior light? So you need to use the alarm trigger thing to go to the R8. So this will turn on the interior light also. The alarm interior light also will turn on. So now everything finished already.